I'm Sarah, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm making my very special recipe called pie with spinach and white cheese. Let's do it. For today's recipe, we're using a lot of ingredients. I mean, not a lot, but okay. White flour, white cheese, salt, this is soy milk, 4 eggs, corn flour, baking powder, 4 pieces, spinach and olive oil. First thing first, we'll start with mixing the 4 eggs with the olive oil, and after that we'll add the soy milk, the salt, the baking powder and the flour, but step by step. 2 pieces of soy milk are here, and now I'm going to mix them all again. So guys, this is how it looks like. I mean, this is how it needs to look like. The cheese and the spinach, and now we're mixing all over again, and we're putting in the oven to bake it. Hope you like it.